Hello everybody and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Tatum. If not, welcome back. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to support free yoga. I truly appreciate your guys' support. You are all fantastic. Today we are going into a 10-minute reset flow. I was feeling kind of stuck and icky today, so I wanted to get some movement in and I thought, why not just record it? So this is just a silly, fun little flow, 10 minutes that you can take anywhere with you, especially if you are in a car all day and you just need to stop and take a 10-minute break, or if you've been sitting at your desk all day or laying in bed watching Netflix like I was. So I just wanted to get a little bit of movement in today. I give some options here. So I didn't use any props. If you know you like to use blocks, we're going to be in a forward fold twist. So maybe grab a block or just take my cues. I gave also other options if you don't want to take that pose. We're not doing any crazy vinyasa work or core work or anything like that. It's just kind of to get our joints moving and find a little bit of mobility when we've been stationary for a while. So when you're ready, just go ahead, grab your mat. You can even do this in your living room or wherever you are. You don't really need a mat anyway. So go ahead, grab whatever else that you would like, and I will meet you back here. Hello everybody and welcome to your mat. So today, real quick, we're gonna get started standing in Tadasana. Let's bring our feet out wider than our hips, so even mat width distance here if you'd like. And we're just gonna start by swaying from side to side, maybe coming up onto your toes. Maybe you get your arms involved. Eyes can be open or closed. And let's take 3 big breaths together. So exhale wherever you are. Take a full deep inhale, maybe arms reach up, and then exhale, they can come down. 2 more, inhaling, arms can reach up, and then exhale, they come down. Last one, biggest, fullest, deepest inhale. When you're ready, inhale, find stillness, reach up. Exhale, come down. Take a few shoulder rolls here. Inhale, shoulders to your ears. Exhale, rolling back and down your back. Eyes can be open or closed. Maybe just noting how this motion feels in your body. Switch directions. Inhale, shoulders to our ears. Exhale, come down. Just a few more. And eyes can be open or closed. And then we'll gently release. You can bring those feet in just a little bit. Let's interlace all 10 fingers together. Punch our knuckles forward, chin to chest. Stretch your shoulder blades and in between them. Pull the low belly in, belly button to spine. Kind of like a standing cat here, that rounding our spine, but focusing on that upper spine and neck area. Really punching your knuckles forward as best you can. Let's gently release, shake it out. Switch your grip, so the wonky grip, the thumb that's not normally on top should be on top now. And then press forward again, chin to chest. Breathing here, don't hold your breath. And then we'll gently release. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. Reach up. And exhale, release, keeping those arms up towards the sky. Again, feet can come out wider if you need a bigger stance here, more support. And then we'll just begin to shift from side to side. Little side body stretching. Eyes can be open or closed. And then I'm going to grab my left wrist with my right hand, press my palm up towards the sky, and then send my hips over to the left side. Fingertips are reaching towards the right. Really lift through your chest. Gaze can come up towards the sky, and you'll feel a nice deep stretch down your left side body. Remember to breathe. And then switch sides, switch your grip. Left hand grabs our right wrist. Press that right palm up towards the sky and then reach your fingertips over to the left, hips to the right. Gaze can lift up towards the sky or down towards the floor. And then we'll all come back through center. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. We'll stay here just for a moment. If you want, you can rock from side to side. You can grab opposite elbows here. But wherever you are, take your gaze directly towards the back of your mat or directly in between your legs behind you. Connecting with that breath here. All right, release any grip that you have. Heel toe your feet together. Inhale, slowly roll all the way up to standing. Arms reach up. Exhale, hands come behind us. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, press your hips forward. Come into that back bend here. Inhale, we'll come back up through center. Arms reach up. Exhale, hands come down by your side. If you're facing to the front of your mat, go ahead, take a quarter turn where you can still see me. Feet are together here. And then let's take a big wide stance. Arms reach up again. Exhale, forward fold. Hinge from your hips. Lead with your heart here. You can grab for opposite feet. You can have your hands right underneath your shoulders. Whatever you would like. And then we're going to gently just begin to hinge from side to side. If you don't like folding forward that much, you can bring your hands to your thighs and rock from side to side just like this. When you're straightening one leg and then the other, make sure that you're still keeping that micro bend in your knees here. So you're not hyperextending. Let's do 1 or 2 more rounds. If you want to lift your toes up off the earth, you can. And then we'll all come back through center, forward folding. Let's plant our left hand in front of our face here. Take a full deep inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, twist, right arm reaches up towards the sky. You can have that left hand on your left thigh, just opening up towards the right if you'd like, if you're still not bent over. And then when you want to switch, right hand comes down, left arm can reach up. But if you're down here with me, let's plant this right hand, left hand reaches up. And then switch with your own breath. So an inhale will bring you down, and an exhale will take you into a twist. If you need to bend one knee, you can. You don't have to keep both legs stick straight. And again, you can still be up here in that squat. Still getting a twist in. Just flowing with your own breath. Exhales will take you into a twist. Let's all come back down through center. Inhale, slowly roll all the way up to standing. Let's turn those left toes out. Bend your left knee. Left forearm comes to our left thigh. Right fingertips come up and over. Extended side angle. Breathe. That front thigh is working parallel to the earth. And we don't want all the weight in our left forearm here. Relax your right shoulder away from your right ear. And we'll all inhale, lift up, warrior 2, reverse your warrior, straighten that front leg. Come back through center, all 10 toes facing towards the long edge of our mat here. And then our right toes will turn out towards the back. Bend that right knee, right forearm to our right thigh. Left fingertips reach over to the right. Again, relax your top left shoulder down away from your ear. And not all the weight is going to be in this right forearm. Breathe wherever you are. Front thighs working parallel to the earth. Open your chest. And then we'll slip off of our mat, coming into warrior 2. Reverse your warrior, straighten that front leg. And then we'll all come back, Prasarita. All 10 toes are facing towards the right edge. Step your right foot back to meet your left. Come to the top of your mat. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, roll all the way up to standing. Arms reach up overhead. Exhale, hands come through heart center. Go ahead, bow to your fingertips. Take this moment to catch your breath and set an intention. Lifting up nice and tall. Relax your shoulders down. Once you've set that intention, try to cherish it throughout your day, your week, or your weekend. Thank you all so much for flowing with me today. It's always an honor, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.